Hi.
We're back.
Same place.
Close that drawer. Didn't look like that before.
Ah.
No.
Can't believe I have the hiccups again. We're gonna have
What
it.
are you, a vampire or something?
That was so scary.
Oh.
That was a big one. I have the hiccups again. Obviously.
I'm gonna fall down like I did before.
You didn't fall down this time, no?
Oh, and she's texting again. No, so not. And to all those smart people who thought she was on the toilet, it's a bathtub.
Yeah.
Shaving cream's not there. Was that there? Was that there? That was there.
That was weird.
Hiccup!
That's kind of weird.
Well, we're not completely stoned on energy drinks this time, but...
Yeah.
I don't even know what that was. I know what that was. Oh, do a close up on your eye. Wow. Whoa. Oh. That's my mom's breath. Oh. Oh.
That was weird.
Dude, this is gonna be funny. Everyone's gonna be all like, again!
The same place, too.
Dude. That sounded like a burp. I'm just like saying everything I said before. Oh, man, that video was pretty retarded. I don't even remember saying half that
That was
stuff.
crazy.
I tore some of that off, but y'all never saw that. My question is, why do we have 2 light switches? I think it's for like that heater thingy up there that no one uses. You must try to use it. It's gonna like explode and kill us. Oh, egad!
Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh Jesus.
Let me see a phone. I want Descholay. Lizzie's laugh.
It's my phone. It's me. Yay.
Oh, I can't see it. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that's a pretty picture. Look at her. We took that one today.
You took that today.
What day is it? What day is it? It's Sunday.
Yeah.
Oh, we have camp tomorrow.
Fun.
Oh, band camp, guard camp, yabba blah blah.
How funny would it be if I fell into that?
Do it. Get it, girl. You would start hiccuping, and I would grab this camera.
I told you. I was like, go get the camera.
This video is gonna go on till your hiccups leave. So it's like we make a part 2. It's 8 minutes long. We have to make a part 2, and by the time we get in here to make a part 2, you stop. Oh, those are really boisterous. He said, "Oh,
Oh.
oh, 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 my Jesus!
Oh Jesus.
I'm old Greg."
I got a mangina.
Mangina. Mickey D's. McDonald's. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
gonna pop
I'm
out
lugging
and
it. Go.
Oh, they both shut.
The bow shut. The mighty bush.
They both shut.
I'm old Greg and I have a mangina.
I love the Mighty Boosh.
The mighty bush. You have a flyaway.
Oh, I don't.
Right there. Price. We should hook up soon.
Dude, the Mighty Boosh comes on tonight at 1.
I don't want to watch it.
We can like go to sleep and then wake up to watch it. Because it's a new episode.
Third. You would.
Is it?
No.
Let me see the camera.
Why?
Because. Hey guys.
That's a new one.
That's me. Right?
Oh.
Right there. Hi guys. I'm holding the camera, but you can see me. Okay.
You're stupid.
The camera loves you, Rachel. She loves you.
This is a new part. Turn it around. This isn't like the last one.
You should get the hiccups. Okay, yeah.
Babies. Sorry. Not your boyfriend, baby. Play that song by Dream in Stereo.
Okay, you guys, this is like a band that I just met not too long ago.
Long ago.
They're really awesome. Like, they have really cool music.
If you like screaming.
Yeah.
What song's that?
Don't look back. You just itch your face with the camera.
No, I was wiping the drool off my mouth. I have a droopy lip.
Yeah.
If one of us is Breana and one of us is Rachel, can I be Breana?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm Breana.
Oh.
Hi, I'm Breana. Oh, wait. You already know that.
Hey, psh, just a hair flip. You would. You would try. Go. Where's your hiccups? Oh. Oh.
I think they're gone.
Oh.
I seriously think they're gone. It's not cool. That means the video is pointless.
Egad!
Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. In. Out. In. Out. In. Oh, I didn't turn the light off. Oh, you can still see her because that light's on. Yeah, I wish I had a glow stick. Yeah.
There's no glow stick.
Okay, now pretend like you're about to hit the camera with the glow stick. Oh, that was the face you made too.
Really?
I'm not your boyfriend, baby.
I'm talking to my wife.
Oh Lord.
Her name's Leah. She's one of my best friends. She's my wife.
Not an effectual turn. Turn.
She's pretty awesome. I love her to death.
Go. What about me?
Love you too. You're just not my wife.
That would be weird. Jocelyn, what if we were related? Ah!
Ah.